Hello everyone. My today's presentation topic is research method versus research methodology, understanding the difference in academic research. These are my academic information table of content. So my research question is, to what extent does misunderstanding of distinction between research method and methodology affect research design and academic quality? My hypothesis, despite the frequent interchangeable use of terms research method and methodology in academic writing, they are fundamentally distinct concepts, and misunderstanding this distinction significantly weakens research design justification of techniques and overall academic quality. So, in introduction, in now we know that the academic writing and in the academic writing, so many scholars are confused in both term in research method and research methodology. So it is important to know the this distinction between these both term, method and methodology, because they are different in both term, and this confusion can lead to a weak research design, and it can affect reliability and validity of the study. So sometimes when the scholars are confused about that both term, so it can be a weak research area of their. And first, what understanding research as a scientific process. So, research is defined as an orderly, systematic, and ethical process. And what is the aim of the research is to solve our problems. It plays a crucial role in human progress and developmental across multiple disciplines, medicine, technology, and social science. So here are some objectives of research. We can examine our problems through research and develop our we can develop our new systems and procedures, and we can explain a new phenomena, and in the we can generate a new knowledge to for the people through the research. First, what is research method? So, research method, I want to use one word for that. Research method is connected is what? So, a research method is a systematic and structured procedure used by a researcher to collect, analyze, and interpret data in order to answer a research question and to solve that research problem. So here are some classification of research method like data collection, analytical methods, evaluation method. So questionnaire, and there are some methods. We can say that there are research method, and meaning of methodology. So we can say that methodology is a broad narrative, and method is like a tool in for which tool we want to do our research. So it's a method, but methodology is a broad narrative. A method is part of methodology. So a methodology is a systematic way to solve research problems, the science of studying how research is carried out. So it what the methodology connect with the two words like why and how. So why they are used and how they are applied. What are the assumption of them? So those problems and questions are connected with research methodology. So here we can find that difference between method and methodology. So research method focus on what research conducted, and methodology questions that why that particular method and how. So the method is narrow down, and methodology is broad. So its method's nature is practical and operational, while methodology is conceptual and theoretical. So methods are, we can say that data collection, that surveys, interviews, experiment. We can say that there are tools, methods in which tool we want to do our research, and here are our research design philosophy assumption. Those are, we can say that the methodology. One methods are questionnaire, survey, laboratory experience. Those are we can say that method, while that qualitative approach and quantitative approach and mixed method, we can say that are methodology. So here is the two examples. First one is example of literature, and second one is scientific. So first of all, topic is employment of figures of speech in literature, English literature. So the method of this topic can be studying poets' work, analyzing figures of speech. It can be method, and methodology is studying research tools, collecting manuscript, applying critical technique. So it can be methodology. And as Desvet, here is another example of that scientific research, and how methodology awareness important. So it's important because of we understand that assumptions underlying the technique. We know what is our criteria in our methods, and we can clarify and justify decisions before implement the method. So it can be our awareness of methodology. And here is a infographic. In infographic, you can find that one side is methodology, another side is method, which connects with practical tools, and methodology is beginning of journey. And in the methodology pillar, theoretical framework, research design, approach, while in the methods pillar, data collection, analyze, and data interpretation, which are tools of methods. And to conclude my presentation, we can say that research method and research methodology is a difference, but while that methods is referred to specific techniques, procedures used to collect data, analyze the data, while methodology provides a broader framework and explain how and why methods are selected and applied in our research. So this clarity and credibility are important our research because of our cure and clarity of our research proposal and research method. So that is from my side. These are my references. Thank you. Now you are free to ask questions.
So, Nishta, my question is, what is the difference between research method and research methodology in your dissertation, and how have you applied both in your study?
Yes, Nikita. My dissertation topic is reading through disability, dyslexia, pedagogy, family dynamics in the movie Tare Zameen Par. So my methodology can be uh, uh, that theory, disability theory and film studies theory, that both theory can be my methodology. Because how? Because that theory is my main point, and that theory through I want to analyze the movie Tare Zameen Par. So my methods can be through the dyslexia, how that in the movie which are scenes represent that pedagogy and family dynamics. So that are my methods in my dissertation topic. Thank you.
My question is, suppose two research scholar use the same method, can their methodology be different?
Yes, Nirali. If that two research scholar methods are same, but their methodology can be different. Why? Because like they two use that interview. So in the one scholars only use that interview, and when the another scholar add that questionnaire in interview, so their analytical are can be in different. because one is only analyze from the interview, but another scholar add that questionnaire form, and that questionnaire form he or she can compare with another. So yes, that their methodology can be different. So that is from my side. Thank you.